red banner in the morning air, holding dreams that someone placed there. Colors shimmer in the rising light, waiting for the moment they ignite. Then a shift, a pulse, a spark, turning stillness into art. Wings unfold where cloth once lay, carrying truth into the day. When the flag takes flight and becomes an eagle bold, your heart learns to rise and let your story unfold. Ideals turn to action when you trust your inner flame, lifting you higher as you live your true name. We live your true name. Rising upward through the open sky, no more watching life pass by. Every value you've held